Guys, this is Kuy TV 8 guys. Sa mga hindi busy dyan, tricks na tayo. Dalawang tricks natin guys, YouTube at saka TikTok. U equals 21 3 moves guys. Tapos ang tube naman ay 2 moves equals 88. Dito naman sa TikTok, sa 3 moves equals 22. At saka yung talk naman ay 3 moves, then 0 is 21. Okay guys, umpisa natin. Okay guys, first move tayo. Second move natin guys. And the last move guys. Tricks number 2 tayo. First move guys. Okay. And the last move guys is okay. Okay guys, tricks number 2 tayo. TikTok. Okay, unahin natin yung tick. 3 moves equals 22. Okay guys, first move tayo. First move natin ay second move natin guys. And the last move guys. Okay. Tricks number 4 tayo guys. 2 3 moves equals 21. Okay guys, first move tayo. Second move natin guys. And the last move guys.